Hey boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Office Boy Builder here. I hope you are doing well. This is probably the first video on this channel that I'm filming with this camera exclusively from start to finish. I'm back in the side extension. You can see we got some bits going on. My wife was really sick the other day, so she was sleeping in here, so that's what all this stuff is. It's not a bag of sick, that's a bag of clothes. Anyway, right, so what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be hanging the doors, well, hanging the door on this bathroom. This is the one, the fateful bathroom where everything stopped filming. I did all of this. In here, mirror flight shower tray, mirror shower, underfloor heating, this warm-up system, really nice. The wallpaper, the heated mirror that switches on and has a demisting setting. The sink and the cabinet and all of the waste, everything, all of it gone. The only thing that's left outstanding is this. I'm gonna get Nick back to help me with that, just because it's a little bit easier. This is the view from here. We haven't frosted these windows yet. We are thinking about it, and we might do, but you can't be seen from the shower, and it's really nice being able to stand there and look out and see nature and everything. So thinking about that. Anyway, what I'm going to do is hang this door. I've already cut the hinges. I cut them at the same time as I did this one for the bedroom door. So you'll see 6 inches from the top, 9 inches from the bottom there, and then smack bang in the middle. And yeah, that's pretty standard. I've got my spirit level here to make sure that the door is nice and plumb. I've checked this door frame. That is bang on. So I'm very happy with that. So that's good. So I'll just make sure when I hang this that it's nice and plumb this way. Once I've actually hung it and attached it to the wall, that'll be good. So yeah, I think this will be a relatively short video. So the door is hung. I had to trim it down a little bit. Pretty standard, but it is hung, and I actually can't show you because I haven't put the handle on yet, but I had to trim a little bit off the bottom, but that now fits. I'm quite happy with that. That's all right. The gap's a bit big. I probably should have pumped up the airbags a little bit more, and then it would have taken up this, and I wouldn't have had to trim the bottom down. But there we go, that is what it is. So what I'm going to do now is fit the handle and also fit the thumb latch. I've got both of those, all of those here. These are the same handles that we've got everywhere else in the house as well. So we've got this one, we've got this style everywhere. Feels really nice on the hand, it's very soft. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Those are nice, I like them. And then this is the thumb latch that matches. I find this bit really boring. I actually really dislike this portion of the job. But I'm going to set you up on a time lapse. It's a bit time lapse heavy today, I appreciate that, but it is what it is, and I will try and get you in as close as I can to show you what it is I'm doing. A bit more chiseling out to do, a bit more chiseling out on these bits where the thumb latch will go, and also the catch for the handle. So you don't have to lock the door and it will still hold shut. So that is that. It's nice and flush there. This turns and locks. There's no rattle on the door. So that's that. That's it done. I appreciate that was quite a lot of time lapse and I wasn't able to fit the handle, but the handle and the latch fit exactly the same way as this thumb turn. So you'll have seen I take quite a long time over it to try and get it nice and flat, but it comes out really nicely, and yeah, I'm happy with that. So that's good. So I'm going to do the handle when the spring tubular latch arrives. That'll be in a couple of days, and they accidentally sent me the wrong thing in the box, so can't fit them yet, but they'll go directly above. And I got 76mm ones as well, so the handle will line up directly above this rather than having them spaced off. Just as a very quick wrap up, I guess this is a post-credit scene in a way. This is the handle in here. It holds the door very snug. Happy with that. Good spacing, even spacing on both sides. And it opens. These line up very nicely this way. They're both spaced back the same amount. And as long as you drill a big enough hole this way, the handle operates nice and smoothly, as does the thumb latch. I should possibly widen the hole on this one. This is just a little bit stiff, but it's not the end of the world. And this in here sits nice and flush. We haven't painted or sanded or filled any of these yet, so this will get tidied up a little bit as soon as we can, really. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the handles. I did this handle as well. This one I did a slightly bigger bore, so the handle springs back slightly quicker. This one, it tends to hold a little bit, so just be aware when you are doing that, you can put quite a decent sized hole in through here, so I'll probably take this one off and widen the hole out. I learnt my lesson by this one, and that is incredibly satisfying and snug there. So I just have one more thumb latch to do on this, and then I'll be trimming the door down because it's a little bit long here, but it's the right height up there and is even, so I can't raise this one up at all. So that's a wrap on the handles. I appreciate it wasn't me showing you a how-to, it was more just showing you what I've done and what I'm doing. I hope you found that useful and helpful and enjoyable. That was me fitting the handles there. Please do feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And you may have noticed down in the description, I've also now started a Patreon account as well. So if you do find these videos helpful, or if you want to be a bit of a closer part of the community, go and have a look at the links, check it out, and maybe consider becoming a patron.